Today's topic is brake system in EMU and MUMU. EMU and MUMU are provided with two brake systems. They are one auto brake system which works with BP pressure of 5 kg per centimeter square. Two electro-pneumatic brake system works with MR pressure of 6 to 7 kg per centimeter square. Both brakes are operated through brake controller handle of brake controller unit. Brake controller unit BCH positions: run bar release. EP brake and auto brake both are released. EP range: EP brakes will apply with ranges of 0.4, 0.7, 1.1 and 1.6 kg per centimeter square of BC pressure. Depends upon position of BCH handle, which is having self-lapping system for EP brake. In this brake system, only MR pressure is used for brake application. Auto lap: for auto brake system, there is no self-lapping system. In this position, BP will be maintained. That is, neither BP will charge nor BP will destroy. Auto range: in this position, BP pressure drops, brakes will apply. There is no self-lapping system. Emergency: both EP and auto brakes will apply. Electro-pneumatic unit: auto brake and EP brakes are applied through EP unit. EP unit is provided in every motor coach and trailer coach. The parts of EP unit are holding magnet valve, application magnet valve, limiting valve, triple valve and its bulb, stabilizing valve with bulb, safety valve. When motor coach energized, MR created by main compressor is supplied to main reservoir tank. From there, the supply of air pressure goes to MR pipeline. This MR pipeline runs throughout the rake. From this MR pipeline through a CDC, a connection is given to brake controller unit. When BIV turned on, this brake controller unit converts this 6 to 7 kg centimeter square pressure of MR to 5 kg BP pressure and is supplied to BP pipeline throughout the rake. Further, from MR pipeline through a CDC, a connection is given to EP unit through a cock, EPIC cock, and also from BP pipeline another connection is given to EP unit through AIC cock for EP brake as well as auto brake application. These EP units are provided in every motor coach and trailer coach. EP unit is also having a auxiliary reservoir. When auto brake applied, then this AR supplies pressure to brake cylinders. During EP brake application, MR pressure supplies pressure to brake cylinders. This is the line diagram of MR and BP system in motor coach. This is the line diagram of MR and BP connections in trailer coach. Auto brake system: the parts of brake controller are brake controller handle, self-lapping cylinder, puppet valve group with ABCD ports, equalizing discharge valve, pressure reducing valve, equalizing reservoir, brake isolating valve with switch key operated, application and holding contacts. To charge BP, ensure MR is above 6 kg per centimeter square. insert BIV and turn it fully on. Then MR pressure of 6 kg enters brake controller unit and is reduced to 5 kg per centimeter square in reducing valve. Then this reduced pressure goes to poppet valve and enters A and B ports of poppet valve. From B port, this pressure further enters C port. From C port, this pressure fills bottom chamber of equalizing discharge valve and further it fills equalizing reservoir. The pressure from A port enters D port. From D port, this pressure fills bottom chamber of equalizing discharge valve and further this pressure also enters BP pipeline to charge BP in the entire rake. This is BP charging in brake controller unit. For brake application, keep BCH in auto application. Then C port of poppet valve opens and then this pressure exhausts, which causes lifting of equalizing discharge valve and pressure from D port and equalizing discharge valve bottom, that is BP pressure, exhaust through exhaust port and BP is dropped in the pipeline and brakes will apply in the coaches. This is how brakes will apply. After application, LP shall keep BCH in auto lap position where the amount of BP which is destroyed is maintained. In lap position, all A, B, C and D ports will be in closed position. When BCH kept in emergency position, then both the ports of C and D opens and the pressure is connected to exhaust. Thereby BP will be connected to exhaust and BP will drop rapidly and also BP drops in the pipeline throughout the rake and brakes apply in the coaches. This is emergency brake application in brake controller unit. BCH kept in auto range, BP drops in brake controller unit and further BP also drops in the pipeline. When BP dropped in the pipeline, then EP unit acts, that is triple valve in EP unit acts to connect auxiliary reservoir to brake cylinders and brakes will apply in the coaches of the rake. When BCH kept in emergency, then also when BP drops in pipeline, triple valve acts and connects AR to brake cylinders and brakes will apply in the coaches of the rake. Then EP brakes will also apply provided EP supply is in on condition. When BCH kept in emergency, both EP and auto brakes will apply provided EP supply switch is in on condition. When BCH kept in release position, then brake controller unit charges BP in the pipeline and also this pressure enters EP unit. From EP unit it activates triple valve and further this BP pressure fills auxiliary reservoir. Thereby, triple valve gets balanced and connects brake cylinders to exhaust port, and brakes will release in the coaches. This is how brakes application and releasing happens in UP units when auto brakes operated. Electro-pneumatic brake system. The parts of the EP unit are holding magnet valve HMV, application magnet valve AMV, limiting valve, triple valve and its bulb, stabilizing valve with bulb, safety valve. To apply EP brake, ensure 5 amps MCB EP supply is in on condition, BL in closed condition, EP supply switch is in on condition, and EP supply lamp is glowing. When BCH kept in EP range, then the supply comes to holding contact. From holding contact, this supply goes to holding magnet in brake application relay. From brake application relay through wire number 37, this supply goes to all coaches EP units holding magnet valve. When holding magnet valve energizes, it closes exhaust port, and then application contact closes. From application contact, the supply goes to application magnet in brake application relay. From application magnet through wire number 38, this supply goes to all coaches EP units application magnet valves. When application magnet valve is energized, it admits MR pressure to brake cylinders through limiting valve and additional limiting valve, and brakes will apply and also shows in gauge. This is how EP brakes apply. When BCH kept in release position, application contact opens, resulting in application magnet de-energizes, and further all application magnet valves de-energizes in EP units, and further MR supply is stopped to brake cylinders. And then holding contact opens and causes holding magnet to de-energize in brake application relay. Then through wire number 37, all holding magnet valves will de-energize in EP units, and then all brake cylinders are connected to exhaust port, thereby brakes are released. The brake application and releasing can be done in stepped manner through self-flapping valve provided in brake controller unit. This is how EP brakes will apply and release. Once again, let us see how EP brakes are applied and released in EP unit. When BCH kept in application position, holding magnet valve energizes and causes exhaust port to close. At the same time, application magnet also energizes. Application magnet valve admits MR pressure through limiting valve and additional limiting valve to brake cylinders, thereby brakes apply in the coaches of the rake. When BCH kept in emergency, then also along with auto brake, EP brakes apply provided EP supply switch is in on condition. When BCH kept in release position, then Application magnet valve de-energizes and causes MR supply, and holding magnet also de-energizes and connects BC to exhaust port, thereby brakes release. This is how brakes release in EP unit when EP brakes are released. That is when BCH kept in release position, EP brakes release. When BCH kept in EP range, the pressure which is going to brake cylinders will also go to self-lapping cylinder in brake controller unit. Self-lapping cylinder will open and close holding and application contacts as per the brake cylinder pressure which is admitted in self-lapping cylinder. This enables EP brake application and releasing in stepped manner as desired by Locopilot. Let us see how the self-lapping cylinder works. When BCH operated, first holding contact closes, then application contact closes. When holding contact closes, exhaust port closed. When application contact closes, BC is charged with MR pressure. When BCH kept in release position, application contact opens first and then holding contact opens as per self-lapping cylinder and brakes release and then retain the pressure. Today we learned about auto brake system and EP brake system and working of brake controller unit, EP unit and self-lapping cylinder, and how the brakes apply in EMU and MEMU, and how we can apply EP brakes and auto brakes in EMU and MEMU. Thank you all.